going through the car wash again. Gee, right-hand like. Oh yeah, time to experience more inside with some colorful lighting, soap and water, and many other experiences that you can never imagine. Gee, here it goes. More fun. Oh yeah, get ready. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at the soap. Oh, so beautiful. What is that? Oh, what is that thing? Ah! What is that? Is that some type of monster machine that basically hurts the car or something? Ah! I'm using the front window too? Oh, good grief, man! Ah! But, oh, goodness gracious! How many more monsters are there? Sorry I had to scream like that, but I didn't want the Uber driver to be thinking I'm actually like some type of girl or something. I don't know. That's why you hear me scream like that. Ah! Oh, what is that? Ah! This thing is so loud! My eardrums! My eardrums! Oh, good grief. That thing looks creepy, but it wasn't too bad. Ooh, mist showers. Oh yeah, mist style showers. Oh, these things look nice. Those are satisfying types of showers right there. Oh, go for it. Oh no, you can't be serious. Do not make me think that what I think it. Not those more things again! It's over. Oh my god. Once again, that was a nightmare. But thank goodness we went through it. Uber driver? What? Were you annoyed by me?
Nope.
Thank goodness. Well, time to get to wiping. Honestly, I gotta admit, this sucks.